Thank you for your interest in RenewAlert and for trusting our platform to help you manage the time-sensitive tasks and reminders that you and your family need to keep track of. The first thing we'll cover is how to sign up for RenewAlert. There are a few different ways to do this. One option is to download the RenewAlert app and create your account directly from your mobile device. When you do that, you can use the same login credentials to access the RenewAlert website. So to register for the website, go to www.renewalert.com and click Get Started today. If you're signing up for a household subscription, you'll see that Home and Family is already selected and highlighted in red. This subscription is shown with a monthly rate, which you can cancel at any time. You also have the option to choose an annual subscription, which is discounted compared to paying monthly over a 12-month period. Under Choose Your Plan, you will see the option to select monthly or annual. If I select annual, you'll notice the price increases, but this is a one-time charge for the full year. In this example, the annual subscription is $149 for 12 months, which works out to a savings of about $30 per year compared to the monthly plan. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Your first 30 days are free, so your credit card will not be charged until the trial period ends. Before moving forward, make sure the Home and Family subscription is selected, then begin entering your information. When you reach the family industry field, confirm that it says Home and Family. This is important as the other subscription types are designed for businesses, track different items, and have different pricing. The family name or company name field is where you can enter the name of your household. For example, you might enter the Miller family or whatever best represents your family. Complete the remaining fields, enter your credit card information, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Sign Up. That's it. You've officially taken the first step toward gaining control over the growing list of subscriptions, renewals, and important dates your family needs to manage. As you begin using RenewAlert, you will gain visibility into what you are subscribed to, what is renewing, and what you're paying for. Over time, this clarity often leads to meaningful savings, both monthly and yearly, along with far less stress from missed deadlines and surprise charges.